Hello friends, in this video I will explain about Raspberry Pi Pico ADC and how to configure Raspberry Pi Pico ADC, and finally I will show a Raspberry Pi Pico ADC codec. So at first you should know about what is ADC. ADC is analog to digital converter. We all know that a microprocessor or microcontroller doesn't understand the analog signal, so you need to convert the analog signal into the digital signal. The real world, almost all the signals are analog signals like sound signal, temperature signal. So you need to convert the analog signal into digital signal. This is an analog signal. You can find that every point of time you can get a value. Every point, like 1 second you can get 13.7, like 2.5 second you can find 40.3 amplitude. So every time you can get a value. That's why this is analog signal. In digital signal you can only find 0 or 1 value. In microcontroller 5 volt means 1 and 0 volt means 0. So we need to convert this analog signal into digital signal. Now move into the Raspberry Pi Pico ADC GPIO pin. Only ADC 0, 1 and 2 are labeled in Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller. Rest of the 2 ADC are not labeled in the microcontroller because one is used for our system to measure system voltage and other is used for measure the built-in temperature sensor. Raspberry Pi Pico has 12-bit ADC. That means its ADC value is 0 to 4095. Now I will show a project with Raspberry Pi Pico ADC. It is indication of high, medium and low intensity of light, and a LDR sensor will connect analog value from the light, and this analog value is converted into the Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller. So if the analog value is low, then this low light intensity LED will be glow, and if the light intensity is medium, then the middle LED will glow, and finally if the light intensity is high, then the high LED will glow. Now move into the coding part. To read analog value, we used GPIO 27 number pin. This is GPIO number, not pin number. And we define 3 LED pin: 0, GPIO 0, GPIO 1 and GPIO 2. In setup function, we set LDR pin as input and LED 1, 2 and 3 pins are as output. In loop function, we read the ADC value from LDR sensor and store the value ADC value integer. After that, we call three condition. If ADC value is less than 200, then LED 1 will glow, and if ADC value is greater than 200 and less than 700, then LED 2 will glow. And finally, if ADC value is greater than 700, then LED 3 will glow. And the ADC value is also printed in the serial monitor of your Arduino IDE, and the ADC value will read after every 500 milliseconds. After connecting Raspberry Pi Pico with your PC, go to Tools and select the right port. In my case, this is COM4 selected, and hit the upload button. It takes some seconds. After uploading, open your serial monitor. This is serial monitor icon. Click it, and you will see the light intensity message. In my case, the light is low, so I got this low light intensity message. And you also see the ADC value is less than 200. So this is low light intensity. You will know more about Raspberry Pi ADC from embeddedthere.com. So visit embeddedthere.com and know more about Raspberry Pi Pico ADC. Thank you.